to my class. We have Igbo language. We have what? Igbo language. Yes. Our topic today says the use of na as a prefix to all prepositions. Class, say it. The use of na as a prefix to all prepositions. Remember, there are 5 uses of na in Igbo language. We have explained about 3 of them. Now, we are into the use of na as a prefix to all prepositions. We've learned about the use of na as a first person pronoun, I. Anam abia. We have learned about the use of na as a prefix to verb in present tense. Example, ọ na-aga ọrụ. Now, this is the 3rd use of na. And it says, the use of na as a prefix to all prepositions. Yes, here we have learnt about the meaning of prepositions. And now we are going to teach you how we are going to use na in preposition. Remember, in preposition, na will not be in full. We are going to remove a and put it comma or apostrophe up. Okay? For example, let us start. Igbo, English. Number 1 sentence says, akwụkwọ dị n'ime ụgbọala ahụ. Or say that, akwụkwọ dị n'ime ụgbọala ahụ. Meaning, book is inside that car. Remember, ahụ means that. You can see that here we remove a and put comma on top of it. On top of this ni, it becomes n'ime ụgbọala and not na ime. So anywhere you see na written in this form, you will understand that na here is working as a preposition. In preposition, you cannot write na in full. You have to remove a and put apostrophe. Okay? Second example says, ụlọ ego dị na mpụta. Class, repeat after me. Ụlọ ego dị na mpụta. Meaning, Ego's house is outside. We have learnt about na mpụta, meaning outside, in our previous lesson. If you look into this na mpụta, you will find out that this is letter M. Me in Igbo. Remember, we said that me and the ni, they work as what? As a vowel in Igbo. We call them Yirudume, vowel alike. That is why we put comma here. Because this me is also a vowel. We consider it as a vowel in Igbo. That's why we remove a and put apostrophe. The 3rd example says, osisi ahụ dị n'azụ be ha. Osisi ahụ dị n'azụ be ha. Meaning, that tree is behind their home. Be ha means home. You can see that here we remove a and put apostrophe. It becomes n'azụ and not na azụ. It becomes n'azụ. Class, say n'azụ. The last example says, ego dị n'akụkụ akpa ahụ. Ego dị n'akụkụ akpa ahụ. Meaning, money is by the side of that bag. Money is by the side of that bag. Remember, ego is a name of a person. But here, Ego here means money in English. Ego, money. You can see that ego dị n'akụkụ. You can see that we put apostrophe here and remove a. It becomes n'akụkụ, n'akụkụ, n'akụkụ. You pronounce it together, n'akụkụ, n'akụkụ, and not na akụkụ, but n'akụkụ. Okay, that is what we mean by using na as a prefix to all prepositions. Like I, we remove a because a and I, they are just the same thing. They are, because we remove a because a and I, they are what? They are vowel letters and they cannot stay together. Vowel letters cannot stay together. That is why we remove a and put apostrophe. When you see any word in Igbo written like this, you know that it is what? That na is working as a preposition. Like and share our videos, class. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us for more. Bye.